Already pizza so we have to need pizza food color, 3 types of peppers, onion, cheese and pizza sauce. And then I'm gonna do chicken topping, so let's go make the chicken first. So we're gonna add chicken spices. So pertama yan ini then pepper, and salt, water, and 1 cup of soy sauce. Then we are gonna add tomatoes and mix this well. Then we will keep it to marinate for a while. Then marinate for a pan එක little oil කරන් අරාප හනා කුරානි රෝටි එක. Be right back. Yeah, everything is ready. Now let's assemble it. First we're gonna add sauce. Now we're gonna add chicken. Now we're gonna add cheese. And let's put it in the oven.